Today, we're delving into a topic that's sparked a lot of interest lately: green tea for fat loss. Does it work? And in this video, we'll explore the science behind green tea's potential to aid in fat loss. The basics of green tea. Before we dive into its fat-burning properties, let's understand what green tea is. Green tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant and is native to China and India. Unlike black tea, green tea is minimally processed, preserving more of its natural compounds. One of the key components of green tea is catechins, a type of antioxidant that's been linked to various health benefits, including weight management. How does green tea aid in fat loss? So how exactly does green tea help with fat loss? Well, studies suggest that the catechins in green tea can boost metabolism and increase fat burning, particularly abdominal fat, which is often associated with health risks like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, green tea contains caffeine, albeit in smaller amounts compared to coffee, which can also contribute to fat burning by enhancing physical performance and increasing energy expenditure. Evidence from research. Let's take a closer look at the research. Numerous studies have investigated the effects of green tea on weight loss, with many showing promising results. For instance, a meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea catechins significantly reduced body weight and helped maintain weight loss. However, it's important to note that while green tea may aid in fat loss, it's not a miracle solution. Its effects are modest and are best complemented by a healthy diet and regular exercise. Tips for incorporating green tea into your routine. Now that we know the potential benefits of green tea for fat loss, how can we incorporate it into our daily routine? Firstly, opt for high-quality, organic green tea to ensure you're getting the maximum benefits. Secondly, try to drink it without added sugar or sweeteners to avoid empty calories. Finally, consider swapping out your afternoon coffee for a cup of green tea to reap its fat-burning benefits while avoiding the jittery feeling associated with excessive caffeine intake. Additional tips for maximizing green tea's benefits. Before we wrap up, let's discuss a few more tips to maximize the benefits of green tea for fat loss. Firstly, consider incorporating other healthy lifestyle habits alongside your green tea consumption. This could include getting an adequate amount of sleep each night, managing stress levels, and staying hydrated with water throughout the day. These factors can all play a significant role in supporting your weight loss journey and overall well-being. Secondly, experiment with different varieties of green tea to find the one that suits your taste preferences best. Whether it's sencha, matcha, or jasmine green tea, there's a wide range of options available, each with its own unique flavor profile and potential health benefits. By exploring different types of green tea, you can keep your routine interesting and potentially discover new favorites along the way. By following these additional tips and integrating green tea into your daily routine thoughtfully, you can harness its potential to support your fat loss goals and promote overall health and wellness. Remember, consistency and balance are key, so enjoy your green tea mindfully and savor the journey towards a healthier lifestyle. So, does green tea work for fat loss? The evidence certainly suggests it can be a helpful addition to your weight management routine, but it's not a magic bullet. Remember to combine it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed insights into health and wellness.